Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your speaker Sony. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the play pause button, so just press it. Okay, I should play and start to play. Yeah, just pressing and pause the song and again to play song. Next one. You have a plus button here to increase the volume, so just press one time or press and hold and it will be automatically increase volume. And you have a minus button to lower the volume, so again press or press and hold to lower this volume. Next one. If you press 2 times your play pause button, you will play next track 1, 2. And if you press 3 times, you will play previous track 1, 2, 3. And here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!